Subscribe Techno Gyan Pedia channel and press the bell icon to get our latest video updates. Also don't forget to like, comment and share this video.
As you know, the Microsoft Windows 11 App Store now supports many Android apps, such as TikTok, but the big question is, did the TikTok app runs in Windows 11 after India bans many Chinese apps? Let's find out. Go to the Start menu of Windows 11, find out TikTok app in App List. If you didn't find, install first from Windows App Store. After that, run the TikTok app and let's see what's happening. As you see, it didn't run and shows a message that dear users. On June 29, 2020, the government of India decided to block 59 apps, including TikTok. We are in the process of complying with the government of India's directive and also working with the government to better understand the issue and explore a course of action. Ensuring the privacy and security of all our users in India remains our utmost priority. TikTok India team. So, we hope TikTok will return to India after ensuring the privacy and security of all our users in India in every platform's app store in India soon. What's your view about that? Please mention in comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.